Hello YouTube. It's been about 2 weeks since I last posted, and I wanted to let you guys know what I was working on. Some of you guys know that I live in a mountainous area, and I wanted to do something special. From the top of my mountain I could see about 15 miles. Comparing that with nearby cities like Albany, there's a town called Waynesburg, which on a clear day you could see 30 miles, and this is on Interstate 88. But on Google Maps you could only see 20 miles. And on Interstate 90 on the east side of Albany, if you look to the southwest, you could see the Catskill Mountains, which is about 20 miles away. I live in the Poconos, the northern fringe of the Poconos, and I figured if I got a drone, I actually got 2 drones. If I went up high enough, then I could see North Knob, which is Elk Mountain. That's the tallest mountain in the Poconos. Then I would be able to see that, which is over 30 miles away from me. One actually blew off in the wind, which kind of sucks, and the other one got stuck up in the tree, but I did get some good footage. It was only about 100 feet up in the air. I'm about 900 feet shorter than North Knob, Elk Mountain, so pretty high up, one of the highest in the Poconos, but not able to see that far off. As I'm going over the drone footage with you guys, everything looks flat when you get up really, really high, but it's anything but flat. The reason why it looks flat is because most of the mountains in the Poconos peak up around 1,600 feet. So that's kind of when you're off in the distance, it kind of gives that flat look. It's also why this area is also called the Appalachian Plateau, which yeah, that's why it's all looks flat. But from the valleys, which I'll show some pictures that I took a while back, it's anything but flat. Yeah, I'd like to say thank you guys for your patience, and yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll try to get some better footage next time. It's just, it'll take me a good couple months to try to work on that again, but thank you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.